Hey everyone! Just take a look at these videos. I created all of them for free using AI. And as you can see, they look absolutely stunning. If you run a faceless YouTube channel or plan to start one, you already know how powerful AI videos can be. They grab attention, look professional, and can even go viral. But here's the problem. Most AI video generators claim to be free, but they come with daily limits. And once you hit that limit, you have to pay for a subscription. Well, not anymore. Because in today's video, I'll show you a tool that lets you generate unlimited AI videos for free. Yes, you heard that right. Unlimited videos, no restrictions. And trust me, the video quality is mind-blowing. I've been using this tool for a while now, and it creates videos that are as good as or even better than some paid tools. So make sure you watch till the end because you don't want to miss this. All right, let's get started. The tool we'll be using today is called Qwen 2.5, which is created by Alibaba. Now, if you've been impressed by other AI video generators, hold on, because Qwen 2.5 is even better than some of the top AI tools out there. It's not just for videos, it can also generate text, images, and even do coding. But today, we'll focus on its video generation feature. To start, simply click the link in the description, sign up with your email, and you'll see an interface similar to ChatGPT. Once you're in, just go to the video generation option, choose your aspect ratio, and type your prompt. That's it. AI will do the rest. Now, something important you need to know: when you first sign in, you might not see the video generation option right away. Don't worry. If the video option is missing, it's possible you're in a region where it's temporarily unavailable, or the system hasn't fully activated for you. But don't panic. I'll tell you exactly how to fix this at the end of the video, so stay tuned. Let's generate some videos. Select video generation option and select aspect ratio that you need. Now, I'll give it a simple prompt. A cute little panda in an apple garden. Now, let's hit generate. And in just a few seconds, here's the result. Wow, just look at this. The panda looks so real, and the motion is super smooth. There's no weird distortion, no glitches, just a beautiful, realistic AI-generated video. Let's try another one. A time-lapse of a rose flower blooming. And here it is. Amazing. It looks just like something you'd see in a nature documentary. After creating the video, you will see a download icon. Simply click on the icon to download the video. If you are not satisfied with the video or want to make changes, there is also a regenerate option available. By clicking on it, you can regenerate the video. Now, let's get to the solution for that issue I mentioned earlier. If you don't see the video generation option, it's most likely because of regional restrictions. The fix is super simple. Just use a VPN. You just need to connect to a different country, refresh the page, and voila! The video generation option will be unlocked for you. And if still video generation option is not showing, just log out and log in again. Easy. Guys, this is huge opportunity. Right now, Qwen 2.5 is completely free and has no limits, but who knows how long this will last. People are making tons of money using AI videos, and you can too. All you need is a little creativity and the right tools. So go ahead, start using Qwen 2.5 today before they start charging for it. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to BitNext, and let me know in the comments what kind of AI videos you want to create. That's all for today. See you in the next one. Goodbye.